Alright guys, we're at the beach in the Tommy Bahama beach chair, and I'm going to try and show you what it does. I'm in the second from most upright position the chair can be in, and if I just lean back a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, but this arm jumps up and you would essentially free fall backwards if the other one didn't stay. And it gets progressively worse in terms of it happening the further you go back. So I'm back a little farther here, and here it is. And I'm just leaning back. Oh, whoa, there it goes. So, if I go back one more position, it'll do it again. And it's just, it's a great chair in every other way except sitting in it. And since it's a chair, that's a pretty big negative. So I put a huge do not buy on this. Absolutely don't buy it. I don't care about all the good reviews. If you get a sorry chair like I got, and you're out on the beach and it's the only one you brought with you, you're going to be sorry. It's going to ruin your beach day, and that's one day of your life you're not going to get back. So don't waste money on this chair. Honestly, go over to Walmart and get a beach chair if they have them in your town. They've got metal locking mechanisms in the armrests versus the plastic ones on this one, and they actually work. Hope this helps.
Check it. It's got a bottle opener. It's got a little cooler pouch, a little netted back, and it can go all the way back. That's what this is for, where you can put it down.